Hi, this is Collar and this is a short video analysis for the S&P 500. Now the reason why we're looking at the S&P is so that we can get an overall look at the US markets. In the recent days leading up to the end of last week, we saw a decline in the S&P, so we want to look at the charts now to get a clearer picture. So if we look at the monthly time frame, price is still in an overall uptrend and above last year's high. Going over to the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 simple moving average and above the 200 simple moving average. And now going down to the daily time frame, if I just draw on that resistance line I drew in the last video, so a resistance line from here, so this is now an area of support. So what we can see is that price used the 50 simple moving average as support around here, managed to find its way to the upside and finally break above this area of resistance. It moved above there, used this area of previous resistance as support. We saw further move to the upside, but price found resistance around this area here, and as we can see, price has moved back to the downside. And what price is currently doing is finding support at this previous resistance turn support area and also the 50 simple moving average. So although we've seen a decline in the market, there's nothing to worry about just yet because there is a strong cluster of support around this zone here. So what we want to see in the next coming days and weeks is for a bounce back to the upside and eventually want to see this high broken. But if price does decide to decline further and go below this area of support, the next area of support price should come down to is the 200 simple moving average. But let's wait and see what price does. We cannot guess the next move. We have to let price dictate the move first and then trade accordingly. Follow all of our coming updates for the S&P 500 by subscribing with the button below the video.